Hello, hello, and welcome back to the channel. As most of you know, I'm Topher. And for those of you who don't know and just randomly decided to click on my video, welcome to the channel. I'm Topher. Thank you for stopping by. So we're here to do a reaction, and we're diving back into some more of my baby Onew. It's been quite some time, but I saw a couple weeks ago, but I was in the middle of a recording break at the time, but I saw where he released new single, new album, and new music video. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to add these to a playlist, and whenever I come back, I will dive back into them. So now's the time. So we're diving into the music video for his song O, or Circle. I've not heard the song yet. I know nothing about it, but I'm excited to just dive into this and the rest of the album that was released. So we're going to just see what my baby's been working on.
영원히 태양, 바람, 구름, 비와 바다로 봄과 여름, 가을, 겨울 사이로 만남, 이별 모두 다른 적 없는 파도 위에 우린 함께 흘러가고.
Yeah, sounds like this is such an interesting intro, but I'm waiting for this beat drop to happen. Hey.
부족하지도 완벽하지도 않음으로 아름다운 것 같은 태양이 아래서 다른 그림자를 그리는 우리.
Oh, that is frightening. I don't like that.
이름이 채 붙지 않은 마음이 있어. 천천히 동이 트는 느린 새벽의 행복. 손에 잡히지 않아도 가지는 게 있어. 분명히 내가 알고 있는 좋은 내 모습. 영원히 태양, 바람,
come on, choir background vocals.
바다로 봄과 여름, 가을, 겨울 사이로 만남, 이별 모두 다른 적 없는 파도 위에 우린 함께 흘러가고. 사람들은 웃고 나만 힘든 것 같았을 때, 내가 웃을 때, 누군가의 긴 밤은 사무치게 외로웠을 때, 서로 그렇게 닮아서 말없이 않을 수 있는 우리. 기억에선 지워져도 남는 게 있어. 나 어릴 적에 꿈꿨던 초록빛 세상처럼 말을 하지 않아도 쓰여진 게 있어. 별다른 이유 없이 사랑해준 마음들. 영원히 태양, 바람, 구름, 비와 바다로 봄과 여름, 가을, 겨울 사이로 만남, 이별 모두 다른 적 없는 파도 위에 우린 함께 흘러가고. 태양, 구름,
Come on, choir vocals. I mean, it doesn't have to be the end yet. He's so handsome. Love, 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 love. It's probably the most interesting sounding song I've heard from him, or just any SHINee member thus far. Like, I don't really know how to describe it. The intro felt so, I don't know how to describe it. Just different from anything I've heard from any of them, but I liked it. It was a very chill, kind of relaxed vibe, kind of hypnotic a little bit, kind of dreamy. I don't know. There are a lot of different adjectives my brain's coming up with. It was a different kind of sound that I'm not used to hearing from him. But I really, really liked it. And then that sort of R&B-ish kind of beats started to kick in once the percussion came in, and then we maintained that sort of slower R&B groove vibe throughout the rest of the song. But then we had the choir coming in with all the background vocals. I'm like, oh yes, come on, vocals. And then there towards the end, his vocals layered on top of the choir's vocals. It's just beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yeah, very, very interesting. And then the visuals to go along with it, again, very interesting, very different. I liked it. I liked the fast-paced editing, the switching between shot, just kind of like time passing by. Like we're talking about winter, summer, spring, fall, time passing. It just felt like, you know, rapid paced time is flying by, but it's everything about it was interesting. Love the wardrobe choices. Again, he's adorable. I love him. Every time I see him, I want to hug him and pinch his cheeks. He's so precious to me, even though I recently discovered we're actually the same age. I think he's a couple months younger than me, but I recently discovered that through a post over on Twitter. I was like, oh, well, hey, okay, come on, baby. But yeah, he's precious. I just want to hug him and pinch his cheeks. I just love him so much. But yeah, vocals are fantastic. The musical arrangement was so interesting. The video itself, the visuals were interesting. I loved all of the scenery, all the backgrounds they had for the video. I love the inclusion of the choir's vocals. Like everything was just so good, so interesting, but good, different. I like it. I'm here for it. Yeah, so I know a number of you guys have been waiting for me to get to this, so I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications to be notified when all my shenanigans get posted. If there's anything else you'd like me to react to, be sure to leave it down in the comments. I'll get to it as soon as I possibly can. If you'd like to support the channel in other ways, you're more than welcome to join us over on Patreon. You don't have to, but you're more than welcome to if you want to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love ya. Mwah.
And before you guys go, I want to give a huge thank you to everyone supporting me over on Patreon. This channel would not be what it is today without your continued support, and I can't begin to thank you guys enough for all you've done for me. If you'd like to join us over on Patreon, the link is down in the description. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love ya!